isn't a perfect idea या there is something difference. क्या मैंने कहा? क्या था? Yes, slope evolution or slope development, it is not necessary that it is affected by this kind of mass movement, weathering and all. It is it is not like this. It can be of anything. It depends upon the rock. यदि hard rock नहीं होता तो कैसा होता? Can we be able to get this kind of free face? No. हमें rectilinear slope ज़्यादा मिलता है. If there is I said that rock is not strengthful. So the several phenomena, means I said that geomorphic, endogenic, exogenic forces, climate, vegetation. यदि vegetation बहुत सारा हो तो vegetation try to reduce the erosion. If the plants are more, then they will trying to hold, and less erosion, less weathering will be there. Yes, types of rock. The slope development actually in a combination of several processes are there, but Mr. King has said that we are saying it. So I said that there is concave convex slopes are ubiquitous in many semi-arid areas. More complex profiles are common, comprising and upper convexity. ऊपर में क्या होता है? Convexity, a free face or rectilinear debris slope, and gently concave pediments. Understood? Which are the four slopes are there? Convex, free face, and the debris rectilinear slope, and then concave. Each of the upper parts of the slope retreats by the same amount and maintain the same angle. That is, I said that ये सारे notes आपको मिल जाएंगे. अभी कल नहीं बन पाया था. To whatever I am teaching since last class, that will be given to you. I said, therefore, the convexity, free face, and debris slope all have retained the what? Always same length. If equal angle they are retreating, they will maintain always. Who is increasing? Concave line, pediplane region is increasing. The concavity extends in length and becomes slightly greater in थोड़ा सा वो धीरे-धीरे slightly क्योंकि deposition उतना ना थोड़ा सा little bit more deposition, and this is called pediment. Pediment का मतलब क्या होता है? Anything on the base of the mountain, it is known as what? Pediment. Understood? That is लेकिन what has been utilized? I said that pediment. Pediment, that deposition, the name given to the gently concave area which extends from the foot of the debris slope and becomes wider and wider, and the slopes keep on. So this area, pediment region, the foot of the mountain, that keeps on, what I said, that increasing, that keeps on increasing, and that is in a pediplane. And the periplane or pediment is generally slightly concave, but the slopes are very gentle. How much? 3 degree to 5 degree, and often they appear to be completely flat की तरह दिखेगा, 3 degree, 5 degree. And pediments is only covered by a thin sheet of regolith. Regolith, whatever the broken rock particles come and deposit, that is known as, I said that, regolith. In the arid area and semi-arid area where chemical weathering is greatly impeded, yes, chemical weathering ज़्यादा होगा या physical weathering ज़्यादा होगा? Physical weathering. Yes, I said that semi-arid area, जहाँ जैसे ही rainfall हुआ, and that will start happening what? So there is a less chemical weathering, more physical weathering. The supply of regolith is limited in the input, or transported material is at the bottom. Debris slope is little with respect to the rate of output. As a result, the debris slope is able to maintain in a constant angle within a continual extension of pediments, and primarily by the process of sheet wash. The material is coming from where? Convex, free face. And at the concave, debris is coming at the, what is it? More, the debris is coming from the upper convex and free face. कहाँ पे आ रहा है? Debris slope पे. Therefore, it is debris rectilinear, but it has been maintained by whom? Sheet wash. Late in the erosion cycle, the hills are left and isolated steep-sided relics called Inselberg. और आज शाम में आप पढ़ेंगे मेसास ब्यूट्स इन द नॉर्थ अमेरिका, जैसे कहा जाता है. बॉनहार्ट इन साउथ अफ्रीका. बॉनहार्ट इन साउथ अफ्रीका. यहाँ पे नोट्स मिलेगा तो यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे बॉनहार्ट. BORNHARDT. इंसेलबर्ग और बॉनहार्ट. क्लियर? किस रीजन में? अफ्रीका में. और नॉर्थ अमेरिका में उसको क्या कहेंगे? यस, ब्यूट मेसास. BUTTE ब्यूट. And then I said that mesas. जो लास्ट फीचर है, दिस फीचर इज, यू कैन से ब्यूट और इट कैन बी, ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाएगा तो इसको मेसा कहा जाता है. ब्यूट इज स्मॉलर देन मेसा. ब्यूट इज स्मॉलर देन, एंड इससे भी ज्यादा हो जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज पिनाकल. PINNACLE. तो इसको आप यहां लिख सकते हैं. 3 फीचर्स इन द नॉर्थ अमेरिका, इट इज नोन एज व्हाट? मेसास, ब्यूट, पिनाकल. Mesas, Butte, Pinnacle. And it is in North America. And in the South Africa, you can say Bonhart, or you can say Inselberg. जिसको आपने देखा था रिवर लैंडफॉर्म में, आपने देखा था जिसको मोनाडनॉक. What we have seen everywhere featureless plain in the river landform, जिसको मैंने बोला penny plain, and one uplifted hard resistant rock is uplifted, that is known as what? Monadnock. That is known as, and that is in a similar in the what I said, that in the semi-arid region we have been able to see, which I said Bonhart. Yes, डेविस इसको क्या कहेगा? Monadnock. Davis क्या कहेगा इसे? In the last stage, that is when I said that erosion cycle is finishing in the old stage, and that he said that penny plain along with Monadnock. समझ में आ गया? Parallel retreat. Of a slope containing a free face and debris slope, the angle of free face is determined by the strength of rock. If the rock is highly strengthful, then it will be steeper. If the rock is, I said that, softer and softer, free face, it will become rectilinear. Jitna soft hoga, it will, what is slowly and slowly, free face will be what? Less angle. And then finally, wo ho sakta hai, it can convert into rectilinear. Free face is like this, slowly and slowly, and rectilinear is like this. Free face ऐसे होते होते इसी के बराबर आ गया. ध्यान से इस ध्यान रखेंगे. And that will do in the slope replacement given by what? Mr. Pink. And of a slope without a free face, in less resistant rock, the free face may not be. If the rock is very, अभी जो मैंने बताया, if the rock is very short, not hard, then there will be no free face. Understood? Understood? The free face does not exist. Weathering reduces the slope to a continuous debris covered slope. वहां से debris हमेशा जो आएगा कहां पर? Free face may not be present. The weathering reduces the slope to a continuous debris covered slope. धीरे 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 उसको किस में convert कर देगा? Soft rock will convert it to free faces, and I just said that if the free face soft rock is there, then it will keep on free face converted into debris slope. So this is, I said that, convex, free face, debris slope, and then pediplanation. There are actually no inversal pattern of slope development. Is there any inversion? It has been given by whom? It has been given by whom? King. Slopes are related to the rock type, vegetational coverage, different types of weathering processes and transportation processes. Yes or not? अभी समझाया था मैंने कि that slope evolution is never to be what is the same kind of it. It can be of different, which is affected by the strength of the rock, type of the rock, lithology, geology. Understood? Lithology का मतलब क्या होता है? And what is the meaning of geology? Lithology means if I say that, I said that the hardness of the rock, where there is a sedimentary rock, igneous rock, metamorphic rock, igneous metamorphic, sedimentary metamorphic. This is in a lithology. And if I talk about geology, means there is within the rock, what kind of cracks, joints, folds, these are known as what? Geological structure. So the rock type, their lithology, geology, vegetation, various weathering and their erosional process. Transportation process को क्या कहा जाता है? Erosional processes. So I said that this way the slope evolution is never be in a what? Inversal pattern. It can be, what is it? It is dependent on rock type, that is lithology, geology, lithology. What is the meaning of lithology? Hardness. Kitna hard? Hard. Less hard becomes sedimentary. And then thereafter hardness of the rock, it means lithology, geology. यदि cracks जल्दी होंगे, ज़्यादा cracks होंगे, then there will be what? Water will percolate inside it, and that can lead to the frost wedging and different kind of what weathering, and then start eroding it. So geology, vegetational coverage, and then I said that weathering and erosion. Transportation means तोड़कर हटाने वाले को transportation means erosion. The theories of slope decline and replacement are time dependent. So let us see. Pink has given us what? Slope replacement. Pink has given us अभी आपने एक पैरेलल रिड्यूट देखा है, दैट इज आई सेड दैट देयर इज एन व्हाट स्लोप replacement. This picture is determining yes slope replacement. If I say that So what will happen if we'll see like this is when I said that free face, this is I said that free face, and I said that at the concave there is no too much sinuous, there is no too much sinuous. So what is happening? I said that sinuous is not happening. So what happened then? This is crease, this free face is what eroding, and it is depositing along this. It is depositing along this. It is what is happening? It is the material which is breaking from this free face. They started what? If this portion has been coming over there, they started what? Depositing along the what? Rectilinear or scree face. यहाँ पे scree कहा गया है, that is in a debris earlier, it is in a scree or rectilinear. And similarly, the portion which has been eroded from here, they started what? Depositing like this. But even then they are maintaining 30 to 35 degrees their slope, rectilinear slope. Again it has been, I said that, eroding. This section has been again eroded, and at the cost of what I said that, at the cost of free face, what is happening to the free face? Free face is doing what? Parallel retreat. Free face is doing what? Parallel retreat. Yes. And whatever the debris or the scree which is coming from there, which is coming from here, they keep on depositing. So one slope is replaced by the other slope. So one slope is